I'm gonna make this Zoom right here. Just doing some back testing. And I would highly recommend just sticking to one indice, one currency, or just one pair in general, so you understand what price is doing or where price is at. So, if someone asks you, what US 30 looking like for the week, I can say, well, I know 3 or 4 weeks ago, prices at this area where I know price was trying to break it but could not break. I also know that we got a massive explosion up. So, yeah, I'm able to break it down, and I'm gonna break this down right here because yes, we don't trade consolidation, but you have to know where price wants to go, or you have to know where price needs to go. So I'm gonna break this down right here. So of course. I know the higher time frame is bullish, but I know the higher time frame also showing me that price can't break a certain area. So with me being on US 30 for months and months and months, I know what's going on. So we can go way right here for the April 30th. And I remember April 30th, a candle is on the higher time frame. This is a big long candle that simply broke above everything. But I know price did not retrace yet. So first thing I want to do, I see that price started a massive buy coming from this area. So me just knowing, simple market structure, simple price action, what goes up has to come down. So we see price, it did come down, but as you can see, it never came to the area where we needed to continue that buy. So what it did, it left orders. So we left orders here. So this one thing I can have in mind that I know, okay, price has to come back here. I know for a fact because this is like, it's just like leaving liquidity. It's just like price moving a certain way without coming to grab this. So I know for a fact in this area alone, price will have to come grab that. So like I said, we made a massive move up. We tried to come down, but what we did, we respected this area. And what we did, we went to the same area what even caused price to even sell off hard from. So what happened pardon me, what happened when we made it here? We sold off. So what I can let myself know is, okay, look, we got to hit this area. So just be mindful of that. We have to hit this area. So let's go ahead and let myself know, hey, this area right here is gonna be the massive area where we gotta hit. So already in my head, I know price has to sell. I know that already. So, like I said, just keep this in your head that remember price has to come here. So we see price has created a new high right here, which is respect to that. That's why it bought up. But we have came to this area right here and we trying to figure out, hey, why are we selling? Yes, we did buy up, and yes, we did create a new high. But why are we selling? We're selling because we went here and this what even started that sale. This started the sale here. So what I'm looking at now is I'm seeing that price is simply what? Formed higher than here. So that's why it's continuing to buy. But as you can see, where we bought hard from, we bought hard from here. So as you can see, we went here again. Pardon me, we came and take out these both lows, but look, we still closed above here. So what we're doing, we just simply creating orders, or I would simply say creating buy limits. Because at the end of the day, everybody's buying. Remember, they started buying here. So the market knows that everybody is buying. So what they're doing, they're basically just creating orders to make orders. So what I'm basically saying is they're creating liquidity areas to the upside just to get people in and out of the market. And this is what the market always does. So be mindful of the orders that's sitting above here. Remember, sellers came into the market here. Sellers came into the market here. But we also have buyers too. That's why we see prices moving sideways because there is consolidation to the upside and downside. So I'm just simply breaking down this chart and I'm seeing prices, yes, it's bullish, but prices what? Took out orders and we also tapped into an area where price already made some sales happen. So that's why we got this massive fall down here. But as you can see, price fell, but look what we have here. This is something called a demand zone. I'm calling this a demand zone because we see when price hit this area, yes, we did explode up, and yes, we created what? The liquidity area, and we exploded up again. So I know this area right here is an area where price got to go grab liquidity and see what you see. Price simply came straight down. Why? Because we had orders here. So now price has grabbed liquidity and also tapped into the demand area, which is here. I expect price to go right back up to the same area because price always has hitting this area. I want price to hit this area right here and just simply fall down and get the area what we're looking for. So just simply just paying attention to market structure and just understanding just I'm just looking at one pair, one currency or one thing at a time and just understanding that's how I'm able to catch these buy moves or sell moves. So I just wanted to break this video down to you guys. Just execute guys. That's all I can tell you. Execute.